Guys, today I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous fall appropriate makeup look, beginner friendly, and I am using the new palette by Too Faced, which is the Appley In Love. The colors are more on the spring side for me, summer vibes, but it smells amazing. It smells amazing and it's beautiful. The packaging is so cute. I love how the apples look like they're popping now, and the green gemstones are so beautiful. But just look at the shades. They are gorgeous and they are so pigmented. I'm going to apply some tape. I need to get some tape that is just dedicated for this, but for now I'm just using normal masking tape, and then I'm going to apply some concealer to conceal all the darkness on around my eyes or redness, and then just blend everything. Apply a little bit of loose powder. The first shade that I am starting with is Orchid Strolled, and I'm just going to apply that in the outer corner, bringing it inwards, staying away from my brow bone area, just inwards and outwards in swiping motion. Second shade is Basket Full, and I'm just going to do a wing liner, bringing it all the way out and all the way in. I clean my brush, I am going to be applying a turnover at the top of Baskets Full. This is what is going to give it a fall effect. Take a liner brush and just keep applying Baskets Full again. This part you cannot skip is winging it in the inner corners to make it look more exotic. I'm wetting my brush, and then I'm going to be applying Crunch Time, like a glitter liner effect, just to give it more of a dimension and fall vibes. Smoke at my bottom lash line, I'm applying applesauce, and then I'm going to apply Baskets Full. Also going to apply a little bit of Crunch Time in my inner corner. I'm applying some liner on my top water lash line, so when I apply some falsies, it doesn't look empty. That, some couple coats of the Sky High mascara in color brown. I've been loving the color brown for like 3 weeks already. And I'm applying some falsies by Kiss. And there you guys have it. This look is super easy and it's fall appropriate, and it just makes your eyes stand out. I hope you guys like it. Please share this video with your friends. Comment down below what else you guys want to see. What other colors should I try from this palette? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.